greens right here. This one should get the green signal in a minute. I'm hoping it shuts off and restarts. I'm hoping this thing shuts down in a second and restarts. 36-inch drive wheels, that's ridiculous. Yeah, I tell you what, you are no equal and opposite force for that. I mean, that would obliterate you. And you get an idea of how heavy that is. I mean, that's just stupid how heavy that is. Explosive battery gas engine compressors. So a whole bunch of high voltage too. I'm just gonna say those dirt bikers might have chased me out of Irwin, but they ain't gonna chase me out of this. I mean, seriously. I mean, you guys ain't gonna chase me out of this.